said that.
Oh my gosh.
I can see the difference. You know me, I get it wrong, don't
Then I got diggers on me. Then I got diggers on me.
Diggers? You got diggers on your clothes, haven't you?
Yeah.
I know you got diggers on your jumper and your trousers. Not on your trousers, but you got them on your t-shirt.
There's Batman on my... These are Batman suits. And a Batman coat is in the back.
Yeah, Batman coats in the boots, that's right. Don't right the way we're driving towards.
Well, we can drive in the road.
Towards a big black cloud. So I was hoping we'd be driving away. Doesn't seem to be working out that way, does it? We need to get children and bags indoors before, and Nanny home, before.
Yeah. What? What did you say? That means before it rains.
Before it pours. Oh, do you think it's going out to sea?
Yeah, I think it's going out to sea.
I think you might be. It's over there. It's nice, isn't it? Over there. It's beautiful blue sky.
Have you got the hiccups, Jackson? Yes.
Has it got hiccups?
What about if Lexi makes you a juice when we go in?
Yeah, thank you, Lexi. That's a good idea. Did you eat all your chicken nuggets, Jackson?
I did.
Good boy.
Jackson, do you like your hiccups? I don't. No. Some people do.
It's weird, isn't it? Because you don't have any control over it, do you? Like, it just happens.
Maybe you've had too much juice.
Yeah. Maybe all that running round, I expect.
Have they stopped or are they still going? They stopped.
I think they've stopped and then they creep up on you again.
What's that?
We go this way because the roads are a bit quieter this way.
We don't live this way.
No, but we're going to go past my house and then carry on.
I can't see the house.
We'll do in a minute.
You said they stopped.
Did they creep up on you?
Yeah. Are they annoying? No. I can't see your house. You see it in a minute.
In a minute, darling. We have to get to the top of this hill and then now slow down, alright? And
Have they stopped again? No.
you can see if Gramps' van's on the drive.
Have your hiccups stopped again? No, they do go in. I don't hear them. Well, they're quiet ones. The quiet ones. They stopped now. Uh-huh.
You'll see Gramps tomorrow, Jackson. I'll meet you for the playgroup.
I can't see it. Tomorrow?
Thank you, Lexi. Wrong day. Monday. My friend.
Monday. I can't see it. I can't see the house.
Right, look out that window.
What window?
To the right.
What one's right?
To the right. To the right.
What one's right?
That way.
Jackson, look your way.
You have to look out the window of your door. I can't slow down too much because there's a van right behind me. We'll see if Gramps' van's on the drive, shall we?
Yeah.
No, not yet. But he's supposed to be cooking my dinner.
Maybe.
He's gone to the rugby club. to meet some friends.
Do it.
Had a chat, you know what Gramps is like.
Have they stopped now?
He likes to have a chat, doesn't he?
Jackson, have your hiccups stopped now? They have.